Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 questions about forklifts licenses. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. Do I need a forklift license to drive a forklift? You do not necessarily need a license to drive a forklift. However, you need to attend an accredited forklift training program. The Health and Safety Executive, HSE, has noted 6 organizations that can legally accredit forklift training programs. These organizations are 1. Association of Industrial Truck Trainers, AITT. 2. Independent Training Standards Scheme and Register, ITSAR. 3. Lontra Awards. 4. National Plant Operators Registration Scheme Ltd. 5. Road Transport Industry Training Board, RTIB, Ltd. 6. Construction Industry Training Board, CITB. Under Section 2 of the Health and Safety at Work Act, employers are required to give you adequate training to do your job safely. So, whether you've taken a forklift course or not, your employer may be breaking the law if they have you begin working with no training. You may have to operate a different type of forklift or navigate a different facility with that employer. So, even if it's only a day's refresher, it's valuable to ensure your employer reviews safety precautions with you. 2. At what age can you get a forklift license? The HSC approved Code of Practice and Guidance says that children under minimum school leaving age should never operate lift trucks. The minimum school leaving age is 16 years old. However, many companies will require you to be at least 18 years old. Additionally, you must be at least 18 years old to work in ports. In general, industrial sites like factories cannot employ children under the minimum school leaving age. The exception to this rule is if the child is there with an approved work experience program. Even then, the child shouldn't operate the forklift directly. 3. How much does it cost to get a forklift license in the UK? The cost of getting a forklift license in the UK varies a lot. Factors like how much experience your workers have and the types of forklifts you're working with will change it. As an estimate, you can expect to spend between £200 to £800 per person. However, prices can go as low as £100 per person if you need a refresher or conversion course. It's the programs for novices that will often be the most expensive. 3. Can you get a forklift license without a driver's license? Yes, you can obtain a forklift license without a driver's license. However, if you will be driving it on public roads, you will need a full UK driver's license. You would also need to register the vehicle with the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, and the forklift would become taxable. You can read more about these regulations on Governor UK's Work Trucks page. Forklifts don't drive the same as standard vehicles. They tend to steer only from the back wheels so that the front wheels can take the burden of extra weight. Their size, weight, and dimensions combined mean you'll be driving them slowly. However, most forklift drivers will first learn how to operate it within a factory or warehouse setting. Once you take it to public roads, such as for a construction project, you will need a full license for public safety. 5. How long does a forklift license or certification last? So, does a forklift license expire? The way a driver's license does? The answer is that it doesn't. However, that doesn't mean you don't need to maintain your training. UK law recommends that you refresh your training every 3 to 5 years. This routine training helps you adapt to new safety protocols and machinery updates. You should know that your employer is not legally required to offer you refresher training, though. This information might affect your decision of who to work with if you're currently on the forklift job hunt. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 of the most common questions about forklift training and licenses. If you are looking for more questions often asked about forklift training and licenses, do have a look at our detailed article, A Comprehensive Guide to Forklift Training. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog, see links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping on a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.